In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking link for scheduling appointments with Google Calendar. This process will greatly simplify the way you handle appointments, making it more efficient and less time-consuming for everyone involved. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Google Calendar. This is where we'll be setting everything up. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for your appointments. Now, if you look to the left side of your screen, you'll notice a section labeled Create. Click on the plus sign there, and from the drop-down menu, choose Appointment Schedule. This option will allow you to create a structured setup for managing your appointments effectively. You'll see an option to add details to your appointment schedule. The key here is to provide clear and concise information. Start by giving your appointment a title that aptly describes its purpose. For instance, coaching session or consultation call. Next, you'll need to set the duration of each appointment, whether it's 15, 30, or 60 minutes or a custom duration. Choose what works best for both you and your clients. Then, define your availability. Specify the days and times you plan to be available for bookings. This is essential to prevent overbooking and to maintain a steady schedule. Once you have filled in these details, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now, let's customize the settings for even better management. In this section, you'll want to add a location. This could be a Google Meet link, a phone number, or a physical address depending on the type of appointment. Including a description is also beneficial. It might contain the agenda, any requirements you have, or extra information your clients need to know in advance. Additionally, you can adjust the buffer times if necessary. Buffer times either before or after each meeting give you some breathing space to prepare or wrap up if you have a busy day ahead. Setting a maximum number of bookings can prevent overload and help you maintain focus throughout the day. After configuring your settings, hit save to finalize these changes. The next crucial step is sharing your appointment schedule. Click on Share and then Copy Link. This link is your booking URL, which you can freely distribute via email, embed on your website, or post on social media. It's simple for your clients. Once they click and select a time slot, it will automatically appear in both their calendar and yours, keeping everything synced and organized seamlessly. Finally, click Done to wrap up the process, and there you have it, a straightforward, user-friendly way of managing appointments using Google Calendar. It's a particularly efficient tool for keeping your professional schedule smooth and your interactions with clients hassle-free. So take the setup, customize it as needed, and watch as it effortlessly manages your bookings. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy scheduling.